That's right, we officially got a new motorcycle.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Welcome back to the channel. It's Twinturbotwinz. We're here with another vlog. Today we have a very interesting video for you guys, so stay tuned. We are about to meet up with a couple of friends here. We have S1K Rafa and we have Jack B Quick, Wood Kid Hill, Reckless S1K. We have Infamous Culture. I'm sure I'm forgetting a few other riders, but that's just like, oh yeah, we have Austin Domino and we have a few other riders who are joining us. We're gonna all meet up and have some fun. But also, on this video, we do have a surprise for you guys. Let's just say that. We have an announcement coming here, so throughout the video, we're gonna have a pretty big announcement and see if you guys can guess what it is or see what it is. You know what? Let's not even wait until the video continues, and let's just say what happened or what's the surprise. So we, Twinturbotwinz, that's right, we officially got a new motorcycle.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Now, which motorcycle it is? Well, let's let you guys guess what motorcycle it might be. We're not gonna give we're not gonna really give any hints, honestly. We want you to guess. If you remember the previous video, we talked about a track bike. We talked about a bike for potentially wheeling. We talked about all different kind of brands we were looking at. And let's just say, I think you guys wouldn't be disappointed, and it will be an interesting bike and hopefully fun bike. That's right, we're super excited for you guys. We can't wait to do the unveil video. We're gonna hire a photographer and get a nice cinematic video for you guys. Hopefully it turns out dope, and hopefully you guys enjoy the new bike once we receive it. We should hopefully be getting the bike within the next week or two. We just have to go and pick her up, but we have Texas 2K coming up, so we're going to be attending that. So that's going to be taking time away from us potentially going to get that bike. But yeah, man, we're excited, man. It was not planned. Let's just say this. It came up. It was too good of a deal to pass up, and we're just like, you know what? Why not? And that's right. Once we add this one, that's gonna mean we're gonna have 4 bikes in the garage. So the garage is gonna be kind of packed. It's gonna be looking very nice, the garage, with all the bikes. And I don't know, we may put up two of the bikes for sale. So we'll see what happens. But like we said, we're excited for that new bike. You know, hopefully it's a new start, a new chapter for the channel and for us. So we're very excited for it and looking forward to it. So we'll put some more detail on the next video. We'll talk a little bit more about it. You know, the logistics, what bikes and all that stuff. You know, and maybe we'll talk about who we bought it from, and or we might keep that private. But yeah, man, stay tuned for that video coming up soon. And if you guys want any hints on what potentially bike we bought, just go look at our 2 previous videos. I'll put the link in the description, and you all guys, if you guys watch those 2 videos, you'll be able to, I think, determine what bike we potentially got. But that's for you to find out and for us to enjoy it while we can. If you guess it right, you're gonna get a shout out. So leave a comment below and we'll give you a shout out, whoever gets it right. Oh, look at that kid breaking his neck. like my brother said, go look at the previous videos. There'll be some hints in the previous videos. Take a guess and leave a comment below, and we'll give you a shout out too as well. So feel free to leave that comment below. All right, we just Well, we haven't arrived, but we're almost at the meetup spot. So we'll see where the crew's at. And yes, the Ducati needs gas. Hey. Oh shit. Oh damn. Well, we just got overtaken here. Oh yeah, everyone's here. Okay, not a bad crew so far. Not a bad crew.